Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Facebook Lite account. So if you also want to log in Facebook Lite account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So Facebook Lite takes up less space on your phone. It also uses less data. So you might want to use the Facebook Lite application instead of the Facebook application. So in that case, logging into the Facebook Lite application is very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Facebook Lite application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Facebook Lite application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you'll be able to see all of your accounts over here. If you see your account, you can log into your account by simply tapping on it. But if you want to log into another account, simply tap on the option log into another account that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. If you do not have an account, you can also create an account for yourself. For that, simply tap on the option create new account. After that, you'll be able to create the new account for yourself. For logging into your account, you'll have to enter the credentials. First of all, enter the mobile number or email. Simply tap on this box that you can see right over here. Now enter the mobile number or email over here. Here I'm just going to enter my email. After that, enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. Now after entering all the credentials, tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Facebook Lite account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.